Hi, this is Tank from Ounuo Machinery. I want to show you new material, RPET nonwoven bag. What is RPET? RPET is a new type of environmental friendly recycled fabric. Stands for recycled polyethylene terephthalate or recycled PET. PET is a strong, durable, and recyclable material that is used for soda bottles, water bottles. How to make RPET nonwoven bag? First step, recycling of discarded bottles. Washing, crushing into bottle flake. Second step, bottle flake are mixed with PET. Added to RPET production line to make RPET material. Third step, RPET roll load on leather box bag making machine to make nonwoven bag. What's the advantage of RPET bag? This material is most popular in European and American countries. RPET can be recycling without downgrading, degradable and environmental friendly. RPET bag is more durable. The strength is more than 5 times that of PP nonwoven bag. Let's contribute environmental responsibility business together.